What is dynamic application security testing? Your code security tests have passed. Your build is green, but is your app really secure against real attacks? That's where dynamic application security testing comes in, finding vulnerabilities by testing your application the same way an attacker would. Let's break down what DAST is, how it works, and why it's essential for modern application security. What is DAST? DAST is designed to test your running application to identify security vulnerabilities. Instead of analyzing source code, it sends requests to your deployed application that simulate real attacks, then analyzes the responses to detect vulnerabilities. The scanner tries SQL injection, cross-site scripting, authentication bypasses, and other exploits to find weaknesses before the real attackers do. Think of it as automated penetration testing. How does DAST work? The DAST scanner targets your deployed application, ideally in pre-production, as attack simulation may result in modifying data. It discovers your attack surface using HTML spiders for web pages, OpenAPI specifications for REST APIs, GraphQL introspection for query structures, or AJAX spiders for single-page applications. Then it runs simulated attacks, sending crafted requests to every endpoint and analyzing responses for vulnerabilities. Is SQL injection possible? Does this endpoint allow cross-site scripting? Can authentication be bypassed? DAST finds vulnerabilities that only exist when your application is actually running. Why DAST is essential. DAST provides 3 critical advantages. First, low false positive rates. Because DAST validates actual exploitability, it generates far fewer alerts and false positives than static analysis. When DAST reports a vulnerability, it's discoverable and exploitable. Second, it catches runtime-specific vulnerabilities. In other words, issues that only manifest when code is executing, like SQL injection, authentication bypasses, and business logic flaws. Third, it's technology agnostic. DAST works regardless of your programming language, framework, or architecture. DAST versus SAST, a quick comparison. Static application security testing analyzes source code before the application runs. DAST is built for running applications without source code access. Think of it this way. Static analysis reviews architectural blueprints. Dynamic analysis stress tests the actual building. They're complementary. SAST catches issues early in development. DAST validates that the deployed application is secure against runtime attacks. Effective security programs use both. When and where to use DAST. Integrate DAST into your CI/CD pipeline for continuous testing. Run scans automatically on every build to catch vulnerabilities before production. For modern applications, prioritize API testing. Ensure your DAST tool supports REST, GraphQL, and gRPC as first-class features. Integrate testing into existing developer workflows and deliver results directly in developer tools with clear remediation guidance. In summary, dynamic testing is designed to test your running applications to find exploitable vulnerabilities with low false positives and catch runtime-specific issues, all across any technology stack. But not all DAST solutions are created equal. Modern DAST solutions like StackHawk are built to be developer-friendly by integrating directly into CI/CD pipelines and pull requests, surfacing findings directly to developers. That early actionable feedback allows them to fix vulnerabilities as they're identified pre-production. And unlike traditional DAST tools, StackHawk maps your complete application and API attack surface from source code and provides continuous AppSec program oversight. Visit StackHawk.com to learn more.